Do you ever get fed up with these stickers, trying to remove them from your boxes and lids or other IKEA products? Well, if you use a heat gun, you can soften the glue quite nicely and peel the stickers away. This is a soldering reflow torch. I've got it set at about 240 degrees and 50% power. So basically you just soften up the glue. Obviously you don't want to melt the box, but once you get a hold on the sticker, they peel very easily with a little bit of extra heat. Okay, that's one done. So when you buy 20 or 30 boxes, as you can imagine, it's quite a nuisance having to peel off all the stickers. Once you get started, it's really quite straightforward. Okay, that's two done. Let's do the box. Of course, they like to make it ultra difficult for you. By splitting the stickers too. I won't say the word that came to mind, but it began with B and ended with Arstards. So even that doesn't always give you a completely clean result. But it's good enough. It's good enough. Okay, I've got a bunch more of these to do. This one, much easier. Excellent. So, next time you've got stickers to remove, consider using heat to soften the glue. This has been Alex Eames from Raspberry.tv. Thank you for watching.